What?
Guys like us need protein.
Guys like me need protein.
Salt and pepper.
What are you doing?
It's convenient.
It sure is.
Let's assemble this shit.
Shit, are you talking about the food? Shit, you bully shit! Respect the food, damn it!
Yes, sir. And you're telling me to respect the food?
Ooh!
Bon appetito, bitch.